What's up, guys? It's me, your Jimmy a Geek. So today I'm going to upgrade my essential phone PH-1. This phone was originally launched with the Nougat Android 7, and then it was upgradable to Android 8 March. Android 8. What it was called Android 8. I literally forgot. No, Android 7 was Nougat. Android 8 was. Okay. Let me see. What it was called. System. Okay. Okay, I don't know what Android 8 was called. I'm extremely sorry. I'm an old man right now. My brain is not working. Okay, what is the name of Android 8? Oreo. You see, I'm an old man. I'm literally an old man. Anyways, now let me upgrade to Android Pie. Yes, I'm going to upgrade to Android Pie. Download and install. So it's going to download and install, and then it's going to take like 5 or 10 minutes. It's around 1 gigabyte. I will be back soon. Now the phone is asking me to restart, so I'm going to restart it. Let's restart and then install, and I am literally very much excited. Okay, now it's restarting, and let's see how long it's going to take. Let's see. Literally, let's see. Come on. Okay, now it's going to install the Android 9 Pie. Android 9 Pie. Give me the apple pie. Give me the corn pie. Give me the mango pie. Give me the chicken pie. Give me the beef pie. Give me the fish pie. 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 Give me the apple pie. Give me the orange pie. Give me the mango pie. Give me the chicken pie. Give me the beef pie. Give me the fish pie. Pie. Okay, now I'm going to install and then we'll be back. So finally, I have updated the phone to Android 9. Congratulations! Congratulations, isn't she beautiful? I'm talking about the okay, here is the first look. Android 9. I love you, Andy Ruben. Thanks for giving me an awesome phone which is upgrading to Android 9. Okay, let me go to setting. I mean, so just to make sure that I'm not fooling you. I'm not making a fool out of you. Okay. Okay. You see? You see, you see, you see, Android 9. Okay, okay, let me. Yeah, now can you see? Okay. Wow, I love it. I love it. Wow, I love it. You see? Okay, how to go up? I don't know how to go up. Okay, okay, how to go to menu? Okay. I'm sorry, I can't go to the menu. Okay, how to go to the app drawer? Is that me? Literally, I don't know how to go to the app drawer. Okay, okay, app drawer. Okay, storage. Let me see. Home setting. Show show Google Apps, allow home screen. Okay. Add to home screen. Okay. Let me give another start and then see will it fix the problem or not. I mean, I don't know. I just can't access the app drawer. I don't know what happened. Okay. Let me enter my password. We are back. Still, I can't access the. Okay, okay. I have to pull it like all the way up. You see, like this, all the way up. Now I got it. Overall, I mean, this is quite beautiful looking. To be honest, with quite snappy, quite fast. Okay, at the end of the day, I am happy. So it was me, Geek. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.